Ladies and gentlemen, I understand that you have reached a verdict in the case, is that correct?
That is correct.
All right, and are you the foreperson?
Yes.
Okay, if you would please put the verdict form in that folder. If it's not already, hand it to me and I'm going to review it and then I'll read it into the record. Okay. All right, let's see, make sure this is signed and dated by you as the foreperson, and it is. All right, in the case of the state of Georgia versus Teresa Black, we the jury find as to count 1 felony murder, we the jury find the defendant Teresa Black not guilty. As to count 2 cruelty to children, we the jury find the defendant Teresa Black not guilty. As to count 3 felony murder, we the jury find the defendant Teresa Black not guilty. As to count 4, cruelty to children, we the jury find the defendant Teresa Black not guilty. As to count 5, aggravated assault, we the jury find the defendant Teresa Black not guilty. As to count 6, concealing the death of another, we the jury find the defendant Teresa Black guilty. Signed and dated by the foreperson. Deputy, if you would show this to the attorneys, one of you. Okay, if you just give it to the attorneys for the state and for the defense to review. All right, anything further from the defense?
No, Your Honor.
Okay. Does the state want to go forward with sentencing now, or do you want to wait?
We do, Your Honor.
Which one?
Oh, sorry. Move forward. Your Honor.
Okay, all right.
Your Honor, the defense is requested to wait.
You're requesting to wait?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, are there folks that you want to call that are not here? Is that?
Potentially.
Okay. Is there any objection to doing that by the state?
We do have the father present, Your Honor. We
Okay.
didn't flag him in.
Does he want to be heard today? Oh, it looks like he's walking out the door. He wants to be heard, okay. I mean, I'll be happy to hear from him today, and he's welcome to come back. So you wanna, he just stepped out though, but it looked like he wanted to say something, so.
Yes, Your Honor. Would you like me to check on him?
Yeah, why
Give
don't you
him a
do
minute?
that? Okay. All right, ladies and gentlemen of the jury, I want to thank you for your service. This concludes your jury service, and we are appreciative of the time and effort that you put forth during this trial. You are welcome to, I guess we're gonna, if they want to hold off a little bit, we can hold off a little bit for the sentencing. How much time are you asking for?
A few days, Your Honor.
Well, maybe we could do it on, will he be here till Friday? Can he
May
come
I
back?
just check with my.
Check with him and see if he can come back, we could do it on Friday.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. All right, well, regardless of when we do the sentencing, your jury service has concluded and you all are welcome to leave. If you would, but before you do that, I have your juror letters for you. So if you would step back into the jury room for a few moments and let me finish up with this, and then I'll come back and bring you your letters and then you will be free to go. I'll tell you that attorneys often like to get feedback from jurors after the trial. If you are interested in speaking with them, I'm sure they'd be happy to talk to you. If not, you're under no obligation to talk with them and they're not going to bother you or harass you, okay? But all of the rules that were in place as far as not talking about the case or researching anything are done, you are welcome to talk to whomever you would like or not talk to whomever you'd like about it. And I will come back there shortly to bring you your letters. And yes, Ms. Hodder?
I don't have an answer yet,
Okay.
Your Honor, but we're working.
Okay, all right. Well, let's see what we can arrange. I'd like for both sides to be able to have their folks present. So, all right. You all are free to go back to the jury room, and I'll come back there shortly with your letters. Thank you again for your service. All right. How many witnesses, and who do you anticipate calling or bringing in for the sentencing?
Potentially your partner.
Okay, so you don't know if that's even going to happen.
We haven't committed to that, Your Honor. I'd like to speak with
Okay. Why don't you, can you reach out to that individual now?
Potentially, Your Honor.
What?
We would like to, she's still facing the felony charge here.
Yeah.
We would like to have some time to focus on our sentencing before we present it to the court. So we are asking for
Okay. All right.
We're happy if the court wants to hear from Mr. Hamilton today and split that up. That's fine with us.
Okay. All right. Well, let's wait and see what Mr. Hamilton says about his ability to be here, and I'd like to maybe try to do it on Friday. I don't want to put it off too long, if that's workable for him as well as for your witness. So, all right then, Madam Clerk. Okay. All right, while we're waiting to schedule this, is there anything else that we need to address?
No, Your Honor.
Okay. All right. Hang tight and I'll give you all a few minutes and I'll come back, okay? All right.
All right.
Jurors coming in.
Thank you. And if you would just have the foreperson sit on the end, please, Deputy. Thank you. You all can have a seat. All right, thank you.